iSpring Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the iSpring Learning Management System. Links to the product are in the description for easy access. iSpring Learn is a modern, cloud-based LMS designed to make training management and delivery simple and effective. It's a great solution for businesses and educational organizations looking to deliver engaging e-learning experiences without complexity. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, iSpring Learn is well suited for corporate training, compliance training, and educational institutions. One of the standout features of iSpring Learn is its ease of use. The platform has a clean, simple design, making it quick to set up and easy to navigate for both administrators and learners. Course creation is seamless, especially with its integration with iSpring Suite, which allows you to create interactive, multimedia-rich courses with ease. Whether it's SCORM files, videos, quizzes, or PDFs, iSpring Learn supports various content formats and offers robust tools for tracking learner progress. The learner experience is another highlight. iSpring Learn's mobile-friendly design means that learners can access their courses on any device, anytime, which is perfect for organizations with a mobile workforce. Gamification elements like leaderboards and badges help keep learners motivated and engaged throughout their training. The platform also supports social learning through discussion boards, enhancing collaboration and knowledge sharing. For administrators, iSpring Learn offers comprehensive reporting tools that provide insights into learner performance and course effectiveness. With customizable reports, you can easily track completion rates, quiz results, and more. Additionally, the platform integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Zoom, Salesforce, and Google Analytics, making it easy to incorporate iSpring Learn into your existing systems. Overall, iSpring Learn is an excellent choice for businesses and institutions that need a user-friendly, feature-rich LMS with a focus on engagement, accessibility, and performance tracking. If you're looking for a flexible LMS that scales with your organization, iSpring Learn is worth checking out. Don't forget to click the links in the description for more details.